You can transform your articulation in just 14 days using this simple 3-step daily exercise. And it only takes 2 weeks for you to see results. Now, when we train people and let's say they send us a video recording that, hey, I have an interview coming up and I was asked this question, here's how I'm planning on answering it, or I have a presentation coming up, here's a video recording of it, can you give me some feedback? We notice that this technique is the most common feedback point that we have to give. It not only helps them clarify their understanding, but makes them speak in a manner that's a lot more structured, which is what articulation is all about. So what if you can take that core principle and practice it for 2 weeks straight? And we've created an entire time-bound system for you to do just that. So in this video, we're going to get into the roadmap for the 2-week plan to transform your articulation, 2 daily articulation warm-ups that you can make a part of your routine, and how to practice using the GPS method to see predictable results. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Radeep from Frantically Speaking. We release communications content all the time. So if you are into that, hit subscribe. And if you want to take your communications learning to the next level, you can click the link in the description to check out our courses. Maybe we can work together. Okay, so first let's get into the 2 daily warm-ups. Okay, so here's what the roadmap will look like. We first need to come up with 14 speech topics, and I'll get into how we're going to come up with those 14 as well. We're then gonna every day follow 2 vocal warm-ups. We're gonna speak on one of those topics, and finally we're gonna have an evaluation mechanism for it. So before I get to the latter part, let's understand how to get those 14 topics in place. The first thing you need to do is understand and pick one topic of interest to you. It could be with regard to your work, could be a hobby, or something that you're trying to learn. So let's say, for example, you're a software engineer who's very much into fitness. So you can pick fitness as your topic. You then want to make a list of 14 questions that somebody can come and ask you to help them in their own fitness journey. Feel free to use ChatGPT to also make this faster. Those questions could look along the lines of, hey, what is the fastest way for me to lose belly fat? Or what food can I eat to improve my digestion? Doesn't matter, just make a list of 14 topics. Now, after this, your 14-day drill will actually begin. You'll need the list of topics, your phone to record yourself, and a pen and paper, and that's it. You're going to start off with the 2 warm-ups. Now, there are a lot of different warm-ups that we can do, but I've narrowed it down to my favorite 2. The first is box breathing. The way you need to do box breathing is imagine a square and a small dot going through the entire square. As it goes through one side, you want to take a breath in. As it goes through the other side, you want to hold that in breath, then you want to breathe out, and then finally hold the out breath and repeat the entire process at least 5 times. Then comes the second warm-up, which is the mouth opening exercise. Think of this as a workout for your jaws. What you want to do is pick any random book or paragraph up, and you want to simply read it for 1 minute. And when you're reading it, you want to open your mouth completely while doing so. This will ensure every word is completely pronounced and you're getting more used to speaking in a more controlled manner. If you do this for about 5 to 6 minutes, you'll notice your jaws feeling a little sore. So you just want to do it for 1 minute, that's all. Step number 3 is to pick one of the topics that you had written down and video record yourself speaking on it. Now, how are you going to speak on this topic? You want to use the GPS method. It stands for goal, problem, and solution. You simply want to start by stating the goal itself. So if the question is, what is the fastest way for me to lose belly fat? That's the goal you want to start off with by simply saying, here's the fastest way you can lose belly fat in 2 weeks. You then want to move on to the problem. Now, according to you, since you're into fitness, what do you think is the main concern that people have with losing belly fat? Now, I'm sure there are many problems, just pick any one of them. So you might say, the biggest problem that people have with this is they focus more on working out and less on their diet. And here's where you spend majority of your time, by telling them what the solution is and what the process for them implementing is as well. So you might say the solution to that is to meal plan every single week. You want to make a list every week of your favorite vegetables and protein sources. You then want to mix and match them throughout the week. You want to then prepare all of them to the point where when you actually go to cook them, you have to spend minimal time and effort into it. This will involve you buying a lot of containers and utilizing your fridge a lot more efficiently as well. This will help to cut down the time in actual cooking and allow you to spend more time in planning and reduce the chance of choice or indecision when you actually go to your fridge to understand what you're going to eat. And that's one of the best habits you can incorporate to quickly start cutting down your belly fat and eating healthier. And that's it, that's GPS. Now, I am not a fitness expert to know if what I said was right or wrong, but I hope you get the point of how to use this particular framework. Now, as mentioned, when you're speaking this out, you want to video record yourself. And it might not be completely smooth. You might say the goal is this and the problem and you might go through like 5-6 problems, and then your solution might be a little half-baked, which is completely fine. Just video record it as it is and try to implement the GPS framework. Then comes the evaluation mechanism. You want to watch this video recording and sit with your pen and paper. Ask yourself, what do you think you could have said or done better to make this more articulate? Once you make those notes, you need to re-record yourself on the same topic. You can repeat the same words, just implement the evaluation you gave to yourself. And you need to watch this video one more time and make notes to understand how much better you did. A good question to ask yourself when you watch your video for the first time is, how much would I rate myself on a scale of 1 to 10? If you give yourself 5, for example, ask yourself, okay, what can I do to make sure that this can get closer to a 10? And then you want to re-record and re-watch yourself. After you re-watch yourself the second time, doesn't matter if your rating is the same as the first time, you're done for the day. Move on to day 2, where you pick up the new topic and try to implement the feedback you gave yourself the day before into this new video. And then you want to keep repeating the process. The new video should also follow the GPS method. You need to record yourself, watch that recording, re-record and re-watch. You try this for 14 days and your articulation will start seeing amazing results. Because the GPS framework is not only applicable for videos like these, it's in almost any situation where you have to explain a particular solution, you can use this model. But if you want to know more frameworks like GPS that you can potentially add into this routine, you can check out this video we've made on 5 mental models to reduce your blanking out. The entire video is made for you right here.